Hello, friend. I'm Mormo, and do you want to make real horror money as a horror affiliate? Then keep watching because today we're talking about the advantages and disadvantages of horror affiliate programs. And if horror affiliate programs have some awesome advantages, and if you implement them correctly, you can make incredible money with horror affiliate programs. Mostly the website you are promoting does all the legwork for you. They will handle all the customer support, payment processing, product delivery, and refunds. All that you have to do is direct people to their website by providing a link to them and on yours. Once a customer clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a certain percentage of that sale. That's it. You just wait for your money to come in. And if you are waiting to make money online, using affiliate programs is just one of the many ways that you can do just that. You don't have to develop or carry the product. You don't really even have to know that much about the product because the customer will be going to another website where all the pertinent information is already given. Any good affiliate program will provide all the materials you need to promote them. Usually, this includes emails, banners, text links, and free ebooks that you can use on your website. The super good programs will even offer you training to learn the techniques for promoting their website. When you join an affiliate program, you just worry about getting traffic to your site and then getting them to click on your affiliates links. Hopefully, a sale will be generated and you will be making money. The downside of promoting horror affiliate programs is that you are competing with other people to get sales. Also, some affiliate sites may not be honest and may not pay you, keeping the money that you have generated for them. The best way to protect yourself would be to go online and see if you can find any complaints about the affiliate program. To learn the valuable techniques and tips that I learned, please go to my website, mormozine.com, and follow the links to open your portal to success. Register at my site, and you'll receive occasional goodies, including free tips and informative reports. And thanks so much for watching. I'm going to have a horror affiliate product real soon that you can promote and earn commissions and everything. So keep watching and please comment, like, um, subscribe, ring the bell, and share because sharing is caring. And thanks so much.